In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project with time tracking in Zoho Books. Let's dive in. First, we need to make sure that time tracking is enabled in your Zoho Books account. Start by clicking on the Settings button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your screen. It looks like a little gear icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, select the general option you'll see under Preferences. This is where you can configure many of the important aspects of your Zoho Books experience. Look for a section titled Select the modules you would like to enable. Here, you'll want to ensure the box next to Timesheet is checked. By enabling the timesheet, you're essentially activating the time tracking feature in Zoho Books. After you've checked the box, don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the page to apply these changes. Now that we've enabled time tracking, we can move on to creating a new project. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with various options. Find and click on Time Tracking, then select Projects from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Projects page, where you can manage all your current and upcoming projects. To begin a new project, click on the plus New Project button, which is usually prominently displayed. You're now ready to start filling in the details of your new project. Start with the project name. Choose something descriptive that will be easily recognizable to you and your team. Next, you'll need to select the relevant customer for this project. There's a handy drop-down menu provided for this purpose, making it simple to link the project with the correct client. When it comes to billing methods, Zoho Books offers a range of options like fixed cost or billing based on project hours. Choose the one that best fits how you plan to charge for the project. There's also an optional feature. You can enable the Add Budget for this project option to set budget constraints. It can be based on total cost or the hours allocated depending on your needs. A crucial part of setting up your project is assigning users, which refers to the team members who will work on this project. In addition to assigning individuals, you'll also need to add specific tasks to be completed. Zoho Books offers flexibility here. If your billing method involves rates by the hour, you can specify a rate per hour for each different task or user. Once you've double-checked all the information and settings for your new project, go ahead and click Save. This ensures that everything you've input is correctly registered in the system. And there you have it. You've successfully created a project with time tracking enabled in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and happy project management.